Krishna, ladies and gentlemen, is in the war of Mahabharata with Arjun, and Arjun says, Krishna, I can't fight the war and I can't see people die. Krishna knows that if he does not win the war, it's all going to be terrible for the world. So Krishna says, hey Arjun, you come into this world to perform your duties. Do not worry about the results. You're a Kshatriya. Just go do what you need to do and leave the results to me. Arjuna is inspired. He fights the war. He wins the war. Question, what style did Krishna use with Arjuna? Spirituality. But there's another guy called Bhishma Pitama, the wisest of all wise men, fighting the war on the side of Kauravas, and everybody knows till he's there, they can never win the war. So Krishna decides to go into Bhishma Pitama's camp and say, Bhishma Pitama, I want to ask you a question. I need no answers. What are you fighting the war for? Truth or evil? Bhishma Pitama is totally confused. He doesn't know what to say. Krishna goes back. Next day he goes and stands in front of Shikhandi. Arjuna shoots him down on the bed of arrows. Technically, Bhishma Pitama is out. Question, what style did Krishna use with Bhishma Pitama? Brevity in speech. Bhima is fighting the war with a guy called Jarasandha. Jarasandha had a boon from God. He can't have an ordinary death. Bhima doesn't know. He's fighting. Dishum, 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 dishum. 4 hours gone. He can't kill him. He looks at Krishna, says, what do I do? Krishna picks up a stick, breaks that into two. As soon as he does that, this guy's excited. He divides his body into two. Body gets stuck, body gets stuck. He says, what do I do? He says, hey, listen, full story. Don't react, respond. Breaks, this goes here, this goes here. He does exactly that with Jarasandha. End of Jarasandha. Question, what style did Krishna use with Bhima? Directive style. Duryodhana, last guy standing. He had 100 brothers. Don't ask me how. All of them die, but this guy's alive. Mother Gandhari says, I can't see you die, so go son, take a dip in the holy Ganga water, come in front of me. Without any clothes, I shall look at you, removing this blindfold. And whichever part of your body I look at will turn of steel and no one can ever kill you. This guy goes, does exactly that. Krishna knows if this happens, we'll lose the war. So Krishna goes and stands behind a tree. Duryodhana comes out, he comes out, looks at Duryodhana and says, Duryodhana, kahan ja raha hai? Maan ne bulaya. Maan ne aise bulaya? You're not a kid anymore. Are you going to go like this? He says, yes, I don't have a problem. Duryodhana says, oh my God, this is wrong. He goes and covers himself with a banana leaf. Mother says, son, did you come the way I asked you? He lies. All part of his body becomes that of steel except here. Bhima hits him here, kills him. Question, what style did Krishna use with Duryodhana? Diplomacy. Question for you. If I take diplomacy and go to Bhishma Pitama, brevity speech and go to Arjuna, spirituality and go to Bhima, will it work loudly? Yes or no? Say loudly, yes or no? It will not work because each person needs a different style. Come back. How do you create unity? Ahua? Business, kids. You need to understand every person is unique in a unique circumstance. We keep saying, I don't want to change my strategy. You don't want to change, you die. But you change, you create unity, and you become unstoppable. That's Krishna's message today.